Hey, how's it going, guys? So about 2, 3 days ago, I had an issue last week where my truck broke down. This is a GMC Yukon for everybody out there, 2004. So we're talking about like 99 to 2004, I think, were the round body style. So it broke down. It broke down, the transmission. It looked like it was the transmission. So I'm gonna tell you what it was doing, because I tried to look for a lot of this and it was really hard to get any information on this. But it was definitely something that will save you a lot of money. So check this out. So what my truck was doing was, when I would put it on drive, it'll take off. But after like 30 seconds, it would stop running. Like it would just rev, like if it was on neutral, But it wasn't on neutral. I had it on drive. So I will switch gears first, second, third, fourth, see if nothing will work. I mean, the truck was just on neutral. If you let go of the brake, you would just start going backwards, even though you were pressing the gas. So if you're having this issue, and mind me this, it will turn reverse too whenever I will turn it on. So I will turn it off, turn it back on. Another 30 seconds of transmission is good. Then after that, boom, no more transmission, just revving. Park, drive, and reverse were just revving. First, second, third, not working. It feels like the transmission is done. You might feel like, oh shit, my transmission's, that's it. It's pooped. But I did this. I'm gonna do this, make it easier for y'all. And please like and subscribe. I'm gonna give y'all a lot of more content on a lot of things. I'm also gonna be doing a video on a Lexus RX 300 2000. Which it needed a few different things done that could save you a lot of money. And from you taking it to a mechanic and them charging you for something that is not even there. A rebuild transmission. I need to take off the whole dash and, configure your whole AC, blah, 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 blah. $1,000 out the drain, That's it. You're getting ripped off. Well, I'm not going to rip you off. I'm going to help you out. I'm about helping people, so I'm going to help you out. So I'm making this video with no edits. This is just me. This is my channel. No edits. I know I don't upload every freaking time. So anyways, back to the transmission and the GMC Yukon. This, I think, works also for Tahoes, Avalanche, anything that has the 5.3 with the same transmission, 5.3 liter Vortic. This is a flex fuel truck, but even then, I mean, it's still the same thing. So what I did was I went ahead and took off the pan, put the pan down from the transmission, switched. It's called a force motor. Okay, get this right. It's called the force motor. It's a solenoid that's in front. The A and B solenoids are going to be on the back of the valve body, and you have the solenoid in the front by the actuator. That's the one you want to remove and put it back. Put a new one in. I'm sorry. I'm just letting y'all know some simple stuff. If y'all want more information on how I did it, it was very easy. I did it outside of an apartment complex because I don't really have nowhere to do my mechanic work. But I'm a mobile mechanic type of thing. But I mean, we're all things, I guess. But anyways, so you want to drop the pan. There is a few things that people tell you that you have to remove the exhaust, and you have to pry down, remove the exhaust, this and that, blah blah blah. No, you don't. You don't have to remove the exhaust. You don't have to do none of that stuff. You do, however, have to remove the linkage cable from your gear shifter. You have to undo a clip there. There's a clip. You have to pry it. You have to pry from the thing. You have to remove the linkage cable and then put it like backwards, and then you have to pry next to the pan. Just pry it. Make sure that, and I mean, this is after you already bolted it down. Another thing that I want to tell you that's gonna save you a lot of freaking work. Make sure you use a siphon. I have a siphon. I can show y'all later in a different upload if y'all like and subscribe and we start getting this channel going, because I don't get this channel going and it's time to get it going. Well, anyways, I need money. Trust me, I need money. We all need money. We all need help. I'm gonna help y'all out to make things simple for y'all, because I know a lot of fucking mechanic work and I know how to cut around the corners but still get shit done, and it's professional. Trust me. So anyways, pry that shit. Once you got the whole pan bolts done, well, you want to use a siphon first before you unbolt all the bolts. This is gonna make the transmission fluid less in your pan, so when you take it down, since you're probably gonna be doing under, it's gonna affect you, a lot. But so take a siphon and use right there where the dipstick is at to check your transmission oil. Put the siphon down there. Get like a oil pan. Get something where you can put it, like a bottle, whatever, and start siphoning it out. They sell them at AutoZone. They sell them at O'Reilly, all these hardware store, wherever hardwares you'll find them. Siphons. It's an oil siphon, whatever. It even tells you there on the package that it's for transmission oil. I mean, all that stuff. You don't really want to do your oil change like that, but the transmission, definitely take all the transmission fluid out, drain it in a pan. That way you can see what's going on. And what you want to do is, once you're done, you already removed all the fluid, then jack up the truck, make sure that bitch is lift. I mean, I need to stop cussing, but anyways, I'm in Dallas. I'm a Dallas boy, so I cuss a lot. But anyways, I'm cool. Lift up your truck, and then siphon some more, so you can get all that fluid out as much as you can. You're still gonna have fluid in the pan. Don't get me wrong. You gotta be careful because you're still gonna have some fluid in the pan. But I'm doing this with low lighting because it's already sunset here. I'm doing this video because I hadn't done it in 2 days, and I was like, I need to let my people know, because I got like 40 subscribers, and I want y'all to know how to do things sometimes that it's gonna save you a lot of money. You take it to a mechanic, they're gonna tell you transmission problem. Your transmission needs a real bit. This depends on how honest the mechanic is. Some mechanics might tell you just need a oil change and just a solenoid be replaced. Some will not tell you that. Some will just tell you, you need a rebuild transmission, and they won't even rebuild your transmission. They will leave the same transmission there, and all you needed was just a damn solenoid. Maybe not even the solenoid. Some people say that just by doing an oil change, the transmission fluid change, it will get it back and up and running. It took me a while to find this information, but I found it, and I'm making it just easier for y'all. I'm making this like a cheat sheet. And so you want to siphon it out. Once you get all that fluid out, go under, take up your pan. You got bolts around. Pry on the linkage, where the linkage is at for your thing. Take that out. Remember, don't move the lever, because if you move it, you're under. That shit's gonna reverse or go wherever. Leave the lever alone. Don't be scared to pry on the little bracket that holds into the little thing on next to your transmission. But do not move the lever. The metal lever, don't move it. Just take off the linkage. Just take off the linkage cable. Take that off. You'll be good with that as long as you take that off. Let me put a little bit of light. I don't know. Maybe y'all can see me a little better. Okay, there it goes. Got a little bit of light right there. Shoot, I don't really like light on me though. I mean, I like it, but not like that. Okay, there you go. All right. Well, anyways, you want to go ahead and do that. Then you remove the linkage cable. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this off. I don't want people seeing me also, They're gonna be like, what the heck is this dude doing here outside the parking lot and this and that, with the camera on and shit. Some people don't know YouTube, Anyways, so you want to go ahead and put that pan down. Okay, right there, there's another cheat right here. Pry on after you take off the linkage cable. Let's get around this damn linkage cable, because it's just still going around. All right. Remove the linkage cable, put it to the back, right there where you have that little thing where it clips on. You can pry under there. You can pry under it, pry it, and I mean, mind me, you have your pan under you that's already ready to fall down. So make sure you're holding it with one hand, at least like this. Let me show you. At least like this. Up here. You're up here, so you gotta hold it like that. You hold that shit up like that, and you pry with the other hand. You pry with the other hand until you remove. Once you remove that little pan, the linkage, that bar, whatever that is, that metal piece, it'll give you enough space to take off the pan from one side, and you won't have to remove the exhaust, so because you can just remove it from one side, so it will tilt down. Then what you want to do is you want to take it out, use both hands, try to maneuver it somehow. You common sense. Bring it with you. Be careful, because this fluid's gonna be leaking everywhere. So make sure you're gonna get dirty, but at least you're gonna save $1,000 or more on this. You're gonna be able to pay yourself instead, which that always works if you pay yourself. Always pay yourself first. Maybe I should do a YouTube channel on finances too, because I need to start saving money, but I want to save money with everybody. You know what I'm saying? We all need help saving money. Anyways, So pay yourself first with this. You put your pan down. You get on your valve body. Be careful because there's going to be a lot of fluid. Make sure you have like a couple rags. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and unbolt the actuator. Be careful there because there's fluid there. You want to take off your oil filter too. The transmission fluid filter, sorry. But yeah, that's the way to cut the corner. You don't have to take off the exhaust and you don't have to rebuild your transmission. Just remove that solenoid that's in the back. If y'all want more information about this, let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share this video so people can know and we can make this channel grow. Another thing, the other upload that I will be doing for the Lexus RX 300 on the actuators. There's a lot of videos on this, so you know, if y'all want me to do it, I can do it. Anyways, there is that for the also the spark plugs on the Lexus RX 300, which is any Toyota 3.0, I believe, liter from back in the day, like 99 to 2000 around there. But if y'all need any cars, anything like that, let me know. I can definitely do some homework for you. I can find something. Go ahead and let me know under the comments below. I will be reading your comments. And I can go ahead and start doing that for everybody. You know, I can start doing it. And if y'all need mechanic work and y'all here in Dallas and y'all need me to go help you out with something, let me know. You know, definitely in the comments as well. I can try to do my best. Remember, I'm just one person though. So when we get into this point where I'm like 100 subscribers, 200, 300, something like that, y'all please take it easy on me, you know, because I can help out, but you know, it's not gonna be like, you know, like I can put arms everywhere and help everybody out, but I'll help you out as much as I can. Anyways, yeah, well, like, subscribe, I'm out. It was nice talking to y'all, and I'm about to title this video so people can see GMC, Yukon, Tahoe, Avalanche, 5.3 liter, all that stuff. Peace.